Hi everyone, this is Kuldeep. I am CEO of Saraca Solutions. We wanted to provide you an update on a very exciting event we participated a few days ago in Ahmedabad, India. It was the Semicon 2023, which was the second edition of the very successful event which happened last year. In this year event, we had our honourable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji inaugurate the event. We have had an opportunity to meet almost 50 executives who came from around the world and participated in the event. We met almost 20 Fortune 500 companies in the event. It was really a wonderful 2 days program for us where we were able to see the vision of the government of India and how global Fortune 500 companies are really enabling their foundation in Gujarat. We have had a wonderful time meeting a lot of our existing customers and new customers about our own vision to expand our business into semiconductors in India as well as globally. Overall, it was a wonderful event. There was a lot of participation from students, which was really good. A lot of exposure to them and to see this from the industry of semiconductor. All the central ministers and government officials had a great plan of putting up fab in India as soon as possible and expanding India the next destination in semiconductor industry. Thank you.